Hi there and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian. You can contact me on 01476 560 599. Thank you very much for your inquiry on the Clubman SB 2019. Thought I'd just take this opportunity to send you a short video over on that caravan to get a real good feel as to exactly what that caravan looks like. So Clubman being the top of the range Lunar caravan on a single axle, benefiting from the 7'8" wide body shell, creating a huge amount of space and feeling of space in the caravan. Also benefiting from the Alco ATC the trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You've got a exterior barbecue point there with a 240 volt socket located in the locker box. Wonderful finish on the decals with the Clubman logo, and also a high quality finish on those machine black alloys. You've got underbed storage there, so side access storage into this single bed layout. So stepping inside the caravan itself, you've got a high quality of finish on those lovely light gloss locker doors with a chrome finish at the front and also in the single bed area. You've got your under counter Dometic fridge and your grill oven with your hob at the top there with 3 gas burners and 1 electric. USB ports on the side with a 240 volt socket there. And then a good look at the Clubman high quality luxurious finish on the fabric scheme in this particular caravan. You've got a PIR sensor down the front there for your alarm and also key fob with awning light connected to that alarm. And you've got a TV point at the front to be able to run a television at the front of the caravan should that be a consideration for you. Wonderful finish on the high quality and spacious panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, creating a fantastic feeling of space and luxury. You've got your Lunar Assist and Lunar Command panel there with your Aldi wet central heating system. Space on the side there for a television should you require, and also a nice little cupboard there as you step in. High quality gloss finish on your drawers and cupboard area with lovely finish on the furniture handles. You've got your 2 single beds, plenty of storage underneath those single beds as well, should that be a need for you. And then plenty of cupboard storage above in those nice large lockers with that gloss and a chrome finish. You've got a TV point in the bedroom area, should that be a consideration for you, the space to pop a television on there. And then stepping into the bathroom area, you've got a wonderfully well-spaced and well-specced individual shower with a high-quality finish on the sink area with cupboard storage underneath. You've got your Aldi wet central heated towel rail there, and also further storage in the bathroom area. So that gives you a real good feel and a real good idea of what a Clubman SB 2019 has to offer. If you've got any queries or questions, I've been more than happy to help you. Thank you very much.